Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean muddy pond water. First, it's crucial to identify what's causing the murkiness, which could be anything from heavy rainfall runoff to excessive fish activity. Begin by physically removing any large debris, such as fallen leaves or branches, from the pond's surface and bottom. Then, test your water quality to understand if nutrient imbalances are contributing to the problem. This initial assessment is key to a successful cleaning process. Once you've identified the source, take steps to control sediment. If erosion is an issue, consider installing a pond liner or creating a vegetated edge to stabilize the soil around your pond. A bog filter, filled with plants, can naturally trap and filter out suspended particles. Also, evaluate your fish population. Too many fish can stir up the bottom, leading to persistent mudness. Adjusting their numbers can significantly improve water clarity. For immediate improvement, mechanical filtration is highly effective. A good pond filter will physically remove suspended mud and debris, making your water clearer. You can also use a pond clarifier, which causes tiny mud particles to clump together, making them easier for your filter to capture or settle out. Additionally, adding beneficial bacteria helps break down organic sludge, contributing to long-term water clarity and a healthier pond ecosystem. Maintaining a clear pond requires ongoing effort. Regular partial water changes help dilute accumulated pollutants and refresh the water. Ensure you have a good balance of aquatic plants, as they naturally absorb excess nutrients that can contribute to murkiness. Remember, a healthy pond is a balanced ecosystem. For more tips and products to keep your pond pristine, check the description below for links and other great deals. And hey, while you're there, you might find something to keep your car smelling fresh too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.